Hi everyone. It's almost about 5:30 right now here in New England. Well, I was wrong. Okay, I will admit it. I will be the first to admit I was wrong with this particular storm. I feel all good meteorologists will tell you when they're wrong and will essentially explain why. The reason why I was wrong was because the dew points were too low, the storm was too fast. Those two combinations just made way for nothing much. And of course, when the dew points did rise, the precipitation falling from the sky was very light. So we did see some showers and a little bit of snow flurry activity, and a little bit of sleet pellets that fell as well. It was just nothing much. There was accumulations south of us. Okay, there was accumulations to us south, and I will show you that with this. You can see that portions of northern Connecticut did pick up a good few inches of snow. Okay, did pick up a good few inches of snow. Around our region, nothing. All right, nothing. So. If this area of accumulations moved to the north by about 10 miles, we would have practically seen exactly what I was predicting. So it was just where in stuff like this, you really can't predict where exactly the band of snow is going to set up and where the precipitation will be the heaviest and will be the lightest. I mean, the models can indicate it, but it's just in the end you really don't know. But essentially, northern Connecticut did pick up the most snow from this event. There was actually an inch report from portions of northern Rhode Island as well. So there was some indications of that. There was a couple reports that I found from people that did say that we did get a little bit of a coat-in, but nothing. Okay, nothing much. I guess you live and you learn, right? That's essentially what you do in life. Now, let's talk a little bit about what the NAM is predicting with us. So I'm going to kind of move on. And they are predicting an event coming in here. Right now, I'm a little uncertain what's going to happen here. There's a few possibilities that could be coming through. And you can see here's some precipitation. Here's that good old 540 line to our south. That's kind of important. This is not, however, if you go to the, as time moves on, though, that storm will be moving out and things will be warming up. However, the NAM is indicating absolutely nothing. Okay, absolutely nothing for us. Okay, can see about 3 to 4 inches into central Maine. Now, I'm uncertain because the NAM was the one that was wrong. Okay, however, just to tell you, this could be right. Okay, this definitely could be right that we get absolutely no snow. I will continue to monitor this. Now that's the NAM. I will show you the GFS. And the GFS is indicating some snow. It's going to come in it's going to come in a couple bursts. Okay, this one is for tonight into tomorrow morning. And then there's another burst tomorrow afternoon through early Monday. Okay. And of course the one for tomorrow, I would say tomorrow night into early Monday will be the one that will be producing the strongest precipitation. Likewise, this is what happens here. We do get some snowfall accumulation, okay, if the GFS is correct. If the GFS is correct, we will be potentially talking about, for our region, 1 to generally 3 inches, with maybe 3 to 4 inches to the north of the Mass border. We'll see what happens, not certain yet. And then north of the Mass border, you're going to be talking anywhere between 3 to 6 inches. Okay, we will see. We will see, because I'm not certain yet. But if the GFS is right, which they were right with the last storm, and if the National Weather Service is right, which they were right with the last storm, we would see a little bit more of it in the way of accumulations with this. I will be monitoring things, okay, but I guess you could say I'm a little bit more conservative now because of the fact that I was wrong with the last system. But we will get our answer in due time, obviously. But for right now, I am just going to say that we have a slight chance of some snows, possibly accumulating. So essentially, we will see what happens. But for right now, I hope you all have a great rest of your Saturday. And of course, I will be back here tomorrow with another update. Have a great evening, everyone.